a dive case. It's not really about bikes, but the Venture case is just unobtainable in the UK. So we're going to talk about this in a second, but I need my coffee. So let's get coffee first. Can you see that? Can't really. Right, okay. Let's give that a go first. It's good. Amazing. I don't know what I'd do without this. I don't know what comes first, my motorbike or this. I'd probably look after this more than my bike, if I'm honest. Okay, let's oh, I'm multitasking lots of things. I'm doing an Insta360 upload right now. Just edited one on my phone. Right, okay, so here we got it. Right, so there's been an issue with Venture cases in the UK. The last I was told that they're going to be in later this month in June. This is the new revised Venture case. But I myself am going away, and I want to be able to keep my my 360 nice and safe, because currently I've been using it on my motorbike, even in drizzly rain, and it's been fine, but completely bare. But I know when I go away I'm going to be in the water, so I'm going to get this anyway for myself. As you know, I sell these, but I haven't actually seen one in the flesh until now. So I've ordered quite a few in, because I do believe there's a lot of people out there who are going to be going scuba diving, that sort of thing. That's it. Dive case, seamless underwater stitching, waterproof to 30 meters, and it's ready to mount. Right. One cloth. Bit of foam. Oh, look at that. Kind of nice, isn't it? Oh yeah, okay, that feels like really good quality actually. Because these aren't cheap, if you think about it, and they're not cheap at all. That's actually really good quality. And then we've got some other bits and pieces too. Not sure what they are. I'm assuming these little things here are to soak up moisture. I don't know, that's me guessing, but we have a little instruction book here telling you exactly what to do. Product overview. We have a buckle, a lock lever, and a bottom cover. So let's just open this up. Ah. So if I unscrew this from my invisible selfie stick. Look, it's invisible, you can't see it, can you? And then obviously you want to pop the side with the buttons, so they face the side with the buttons. I think that's quite common sense really. Oh look, it's a perfect fit. A perfect fit. Close that up. There it, do you know, that's really cool. So cool. I like that a lot. Let's see how easy it is to operate the buttons. Okay, my only downside, well, it's not a huge problem, but can you see the display screen? They've got the display screen which shows you the information, like if you're on camera or video. It's going right across the seam, so I can't read it unless I start moving it around and look at it from an angle. Whereas it'd be good if they didn't have that join right there. Right, so product overview. Right, is that all in? Right, Chinese on one side, or Japanese, Chinese, and English on the other side. attach the anti-fog inserts. They are. These are anti-fog inserts. So obviously I was right. I felt quite chuffed with myself. By putting these in around the base, it attracts any moisture that might get inside here. So that's what a great idea. Insert the camera, close the case. It's just basically showing you what I've just done myself. Use of the quarter inch mount adapter. Right, okay, well, you've got that mount adapter, but look, it just goes directly onto the selfie stick. But can you use these selfie sticks in the water? I don't know. I actually don't know if you can. And I can't adjust the selfie stick now. I can't get to the... Right, is there... Right, let's do that. Right, that's on there, and now I can do the rest of it. So that's quite heavy, so you wouldn't want that sitting on your bike. That's going to be really wobbly. There's quite some weight there to operate that on the selfie stick. The thing is, you're not going to use this for your bike. Let's stop thinking about this as a bike thing. This is something that if you're going to go on a holiday with your 360 camera and you want to go down, do a bit of snorkeling with the marine life, if you've never done it, really recommend it. I've done it a couple of times, once in the Maldives and once in Hawaii. Maldives was phenomenal. It was the best experience ever. And I'm hoping to do it again next month with my daughters in Bali. So hence why I wanted to get one of these, so we can get all the footage that we want from our holiday. So very excited about using this, and I'm hoping it's gonna serve its purpose well. There's not much more else to show you with this really, apart from that's it. It's very, very good. I'm impressed with that. If you want to get one of these from me, I've got several of them in stock. So I've bought quite a few, assuming that I'm going to sell a few between now and during the summer holidays and stuff for people with Insta360s. So I've got these in stock, okay? This isn't a drop shipping thing. They're actually here in stock with me, and I can ship these out to you straight away anywhere in the world. All you've got to do is click on the link below. It'll take you through to the page where you can buy this, and take it from there. If you like this video, it's not that informative really, so it's literally just opening up a case so you can see it in the flesh or in the plastic. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Click on some other videos as well that I've done with regards to the 360 camera or this cool piece of kit. If you haven't got one of these or know anything about these, watch my videos, because that's a great bit of kit, that DJI Mavic 2. Yeah, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe please, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.